couple of things, as an alternate to the entire waterproofing gears that you would wear. So let's take for example that you are still comfortable to ride with a fully meshed jacket, or and a jean and shoes that you would have bought in Decathlon. But one thing I would really want to iterate is wear something that gives you optimal ankle support, because it's very important just in case you want to push your feet down to grab some grip on the ground. Chances are you might twist your ankle, and hence it's very important. Do not wear a tennis shoes. Wear a shoe that gives you ample amount of support on your ankles. Now let's take for one example that you are dressed up like this, and then it starts to pour. So when you are choosing the second option of not going for a waterproof gear, my suggestion is pick up waterproof covers for your boots, waterproof pants and waterproof jackets. Just the pullovers. Not really expensive. Decathlon is a great place to shop for these simple items, and they will actually help you to avoid getting fully drenched. The pain is they don't really dry, and that's where these ideas need to be in place so that you enjoy your subsequent days as well. I mean, I wouldn't for one want to have my shoes wet or my trousers or my jacket wet. So hence my suggestion is, if you are opting for very minimalistic gear, definitely I know a lot of people who might not be able to really afford that kind of a gear that would ideally make a good investment. But in case you're looking at this option, the next best thing that you must do is shop at Decathlon for some of the good rain protective wear. But of course these are overons, something that you wear on your jacket. So you need to be cautious, slow down, and very important to make sure that you have visibility in front of you. In case it's really raining hard, it's good to pull over and stop. Even a tree would help you to kind of take a breather until the rain slows down.